All right, so in a previous video, we saw 10 RAMs coming from Aliexpress, perfectly tested. So it's time for the real life test on a real machine. So we're going to pull out these 8 memories that I know they work because this machine has been tested already. So we're going to pull out these ones, and they come from eBay, so they cost almost double of these ones. And we're going to perform the classic dead test cartridge and maybe running a little game too. So we will be able to see if these RAMs work really good. Look at this wonderful Commodore 64. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I pulled out all the RAMs from the sockets here. Now I'm going to put these ones here. These ones are a little different. They are taller. Even if they seem to work, they're taller. So maybe we're going to test these ones on another machine. Okay, so let's test these 8 ones. Come on, let's do it. All right. As you can see, all of the RAMs coming from Aliexpress are in place. So now we're going to connect all the dongles and the dead test cartridge and see what happens. Come on, let's do it. Okay, are we ready? Yes, we are. So 3, 2, 1, go. Well, it switched on. That's a good sign. Good RAMs, come on. Screen RAM, test RAM 1. Good. Wow. Okay. Well. What can I say? Wow. All right. As you can see, here everything seems to work perfectly, and I really mean it. So I think the next thing we have to do is to put on a game and see what happens. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to use for this test a game that pushes the Commodore 64 to the limit. It's a new game. It's not an old game. So let's switch it on. It's going to be loaded using the cartridge. Okay. Switch it on.
PD18.
PD18. Super sound actually. So I also attached the. This is a nice game, and since it pushes the Commodore to the limit, it's also is a game that doesn't require the keyboard to run, so it's very, very useful. All right. Whoa. Well, these RAMs are totally okay. Very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. Perfect. I think it's just perfect. Alright, so everything seems to be absolutely fine with me. I mean, if something was wrong, actually this game will, you hang or maybe give a strange screen, something like that. Nothing like that happens, so I believe that these RAMs are perfectly good, and I'm very, very happy about them. So we just need to test the last two ones with another machine and see if we have the 100% of memory coming from Aliexpress working fine on a Commodore 64. Good test, good test. Okay, so to test these last two RAMs, I'm going to use my testing machine here. This is a Commodore 64 that I really love because everything is almost on socket. So this is a perfect machine for testing. And it doesn't have all the RAMs on socket. I'm going to replace them sooner or later, but especially these ones because these ones are known to be garbage. But if this machine is going to work, so I'm going to change these two RAMs anyway. If this machine is going to work, then it seems that to me that all the RAMs and all the rest two RAMs here are perfect. So let's do it. Okay, as you can see, these ones are coming from the motherboard. Yeah. And these ones are the new ones. Well, new, okay. Anyway, so let's put them on. So the RAMs are on socket, and as you can see, this motherboard does have a lot of types of RAMs. This one, and this one too, which is pretty much the same as the ones that I pulled out. So it's time for the test. Let's do it. So to test these two chips, RAM chips, I'm going to use this game here because not only it's a wonderful game, but it doesn't require the keyboard to run, at least in the basic way. So it just requires the joystick here, port 2, and it is a super game. It means that it requires a lot of hardware resources. So if this game runs, I'm pretty sure the RAMs are going just fine. All right, there we go. As you can see, everything is perfect. Sprites are okay, sounds are okay. So I'm going to die to use some more memory. Oh my goodness, okay, here. Here. Look at this poor pig. Alright, so the pig is dead, but the RAMs are very well alive here. And for those ones who have doubts about mixing different types of RAMs together, well, this is a really nice test. In this machine there are 3 different kind of RAMs. I'm gonna say 4. Because these numbers don't match actually, and also the plastic case looks a little bit different. Anyway, thank you for watching this long video, guys, and until the next time, bye!